Praise Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Becky. I bring you awesome, fun, and timely content on all my platforms. So make sure you like, you comment, you share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a member of this family. In case you have not watched my previous vlog, please do. I would really appreciate. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hey, thank you for clicking on this video without knowing me. I appreciate you giving me a chance. I hope you like this vlog. I hope you stay, and I hope you subscribe. Above all, I hope you subscribe and you enjoy. All right, so happy Friday. The last vlog ended here. I have just begun this one because I realized it was too long because I've been filming since Monday and today is Friday. So let's just end it there and begin another one. This is Friday. I am getting ready to film like 4 videos. Yeah, that's what I want to do, and I'm glad you're here. So I am doing a 15-minute bit that I don't mind doing with you. I don't remember the last time I shared makeup content on this channel, but I will try and do this with you guys today, and hopefully it is a success. So this is for my girlies that don't want to spend so much time on the face, that don't want to spend so much product on their face. So I start with my brows normally. Make sure your pencil is sharp. This is just a quick tutorial. So I have been trying to fill my brows in lightly to give the illusion of hairs, because I have full brows, something like that, just light. And then I go in with my concealer. I need to buy concealer. Oh, yeah. Oh, I have. No. Oh, this is a very old one that is even leaking at the bottom. Guys, my makeup products need a revamp. So I just go in with this kind of brush, this one, and I line the bottom. The bottom one I use concealer, the top one I use foundation. So I am just going to line this like so. Just follow the outline you had done with the pencil. For me, the outline is basically the shape of my brows, so it just gets easier, and practice makes perfect in this makeup thing. Then I will add a bit more under the eye, because this will act as my primer for the eyeshadow. So like that. And then the other one. The trick is just follow the way your eyebrows are naturally, the shape. Just follow that, and I promise you it will work. It works for me every time. There are days when my eyebrows will just not cooperate, but most days it's quite easy because I just follow the outline of my eyes. So like so. Done with the top part. Done with the bottom. Then I go in with my foundation. Guys, this is one of my favorite foundations ever. Maybelline Fit Me. This girl is who she thinks she is. I've had it for long. I've had it for a while. So yeah, and I like it because it just works. Like I don't need to think much about it. This foundation just works. All right, so I go in with the foundation on the top brow like that. Just start it off right, and then follow the outline. Personally, my brows look like I shape them, but I promise I don't. I don't cut my brows, I don't twist them, I don't razor them. I'm just blessed with good eyebrow shape. It's a blessing, you see. Yeah, so just that. And then this other side. My eyebrows look like relatives. They don't need to be twins, I promise you. Then for this look, because I am not doing anything out there, I'll use this primer. It's by Maybelline still. Like it, affordable. I got the Luminous Smooth Hydrating Primer with vitamin E. This one I use mostly when I am just filming in the house. But when I am going outside, my skin is oily. So, like now when it is rainy, I'll use this one a lot. But when the sun is out, I like a mattifying one. And I also have a mattifying one, still from Maybelline. So, yeah, those are just my tips. If you have oily skin, dry skin, know what to use when, because I personally don't believe one product will work through every season. I am sorry, especially for makeup. So now I go in with my foundation, this one that I have showed you guys, and I apply it with a beauty blender. But today I just want to use one. So I'll just wet it a bit, just a bit. This is rose water. So wet the blender a bit and then apply. Yeah, and this one is just sucking in all my product. Wrong move. I wanted to see, but clearly it is only for what they have said it is for, which is powder. Now I have gone for my fighters, my blenders. Then you just apply the foundation. I can apply it like this because I'm the only one that uses it. So, oops, blend. That is the foundation. The coverage is really nice. For the price, it is super good. Then I will conceal. let your concealer sit for a minute. Then I want to contour just a bit, not a lot, just a little. So I use my Zinkel palette. This shade here, it's called, it's this one. I want to make sure it is visible. This one from Zinkel. I love this palette. Just a bit of contour. I like to contour around my cheekbones. It gives my face good dimension, and then I will contour around my hairline so that there is no demarcation of the foundation. That's it. So this one has sat for a while. You want to go in with your blender and just tap it in. This one, it's Old Matte and Poreless by Maybelline. I use 355. So you set the concealer so that it can stay in place. Then I like to go in with setting spray. At that point, then for the eyeshadow, I will do something very subtle. This is the palette. I got it from Jumia. If I find it, I will link it below. I will look for it and link it if it's there. And now it's Black November, so the sales are massive. Guys, my palette broke when I was moving. I've not had the energy to sort it out, so we will just go like that. So I just take a brownish shade. The pigment on this thing, if not for anything else, get it because of the pigmentation. Just one swipe. later. Finally, is it finally? I'll do eyeliner. There you go. And then I will just finish off anywhere that I think needs a bit of a touch up. Then I will go in with a bit more of the the lip. Let me do the lip and then we will do the finishing last. Is that lip? So today I want to do this with that. So Nuba 46. Yes. Just a little. This is not something I've tried before. Okay. All right. Not bad. I think this is fine. Just a bit. That is what I have done, and that is my very quick 15-minute daily routine. This is a basic look, a day-to-day look, not complicated at all, simple, quick. Yeah, just foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, and you're done. So that is how a girl looks. Let me film these videos and then I will see you guys when we are leaving the house. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Friday. Today is the 3rd of November and early morning, done laundry. I don't like doing laundry on Saturday. I like resting on Saturday. I feel like I have that trauma of general cleaning Saturday, and I personally just don't like it. So done laundry this morning. My nails are so brittle. There's the nails I did for my wedding. I don't know what kind of glue that lady used, but let me tell you, these babes, they're suffering. But anywho, I want to clean out my fridge. This is yesterday's dinner. I want to clean out the fridge and organize it, clean it out and organize it, because I did a big shop. If you guys have not watched that video, please check it out. It is my monthly grocery haul video. I would love for you to watch it and tell me in the comments what you think, tips and tricks on how to save money in this economy. So that is what I want to do. I want to clean out this baby here. By the way, I have a Vitron fridge. I don't think I have ever shared that. It's Vitron. Yeah, basically. Are the liters written here? Yo, when? Guys. Probably I check the receipt and write the liters on the screen, but for now I want to clean it out. Oh, it's on timeout. So this is what my freezer is looking like, which it is not looking bad. It could be worse. I have just switched off the ring light. It could be worse, but let me bring you guys a bit in. So here we have veggies from yesterday, some bacon. I have things up here. I want to clean it. It is dirty. Like, it is dirty. It has stains on it. And then down here is the fridge. This is what we have in here. Everything is everywhere, if you can tell. And so this is what I want to do. I want to clean it out and organize it, and then we can get on with our day. This is the door. This is what we have on here. So yeah, let us clean this baby up. Start by removing everything, and then yeah, we'll do that. I'm done cleaning. So So I basically just use water and vinegar. Personally, that works. Plus, my fridge was not that dirty. So I want to return the things I removed from here. So I have put the food and I have put the ham and cheese on the dough. So this is what I've come up with. At the top I have cake and the mandazi. Then I have my bread, my mala is there, my buns. Then here I put this, I like it on high humidity. You put it on low when it is fruits, but when it's veggies, you put it here. So I have it on high humidity. And this is what I have: cucumbers, carrots, beetroot and stuff, tomatoes. I like to put them in there. And then here I have my dania and my rosemary, freshly done, washed and clean. And yeah, the dough is the same as it was before. Yeah, I am done with this part. Let me make breakfast because I am starving. Hi guys. Yo, the light is weird. Back home from town, we went to meet up with our photographer. I'll show you the photos tomorrow when I remove them, but for now, and share his details just in case you're looking for a photographer. But for now, we are making biryani, and yeah, let's make biryani because I promised to give you guys a recipe. So yeah, let's make biryani. Hey guys, so we are defrosting the chicken. It has just come and it is frozen, so biryani is coming, don't worry. But for now I want to unbox what we have gotten from our photographer. I will share his details below in case you have an event, you need someone to figure a picture for you. Please give him a call. Yeah, I will appreciate any business you'll give him. He's really nice. He has delivered on time and he has delivered on what we agreed on. Yeah, he's delivering on time and delivering on what we agreed on. So these are our mounts. Oh my gosh. Ah! How cute. How cute. Oh wow, beautiful, guys. The quality. It is not karatasi. I don't know how to explain it, but let me show you guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So yeah, don't worry, I have a director. So amazing quality. This is in the package. So there is this is A3. Oh wow, I love it. I was just complaining that he did ask me what photos to print, but you know what? I don't have nothing to complain about, because this is one of my favorites. This guys, I have watched the video and I've already cried. Please, I can't wait for you all to see the wedding vlog. Look at that. How beautiful. It's the quality and the packaging. It is well packaged. It's not just brought in a paper bag for you to just go and deal with it. It's beautiful. Oh wow, this is so nice. So that, and then those are the two, and then oh wow, I just finally oh and then we have our photo book, guys. Look at that. How beautiful. This thing has so many pages. Look at all those pages. This thing is so beautiful on the inside, and then on this other side, it's just so breathtaking. The quality ah, the quality is amazing, like even to the touch. Anyway, guys, the rest of the video things, you will see them on the wedding series. If you're not keeping up with the wedding series, you're missing out on amazing content. Otherwise, I will leave his number. He's called Zebedi Asingo. I will leave his number on the screen. Please follow his page, subscribe to his YouTube channel. He posts there, and call him for business. I am telling you, he's super affordable and his work is amazing. He did our proposal, he did our rasho, and he has done our wedding. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Anyway, I wanted to unbox this so that now we can just cook. I will do the cooking, the recipe, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, let's go and cook.
So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope from this tutorial recipe you understand how to make biryani and try to do it. Thank you for spending this time with me. I really appreciate you guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Please like this video, comment down below, and share it with your friends and family. Confirm you're subscribed. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. This biryani turned out so good. It's a favorite, it's a staple. I love it. It's easy, it's simple, so try it, and yeah, let me know how it goes. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.